Hello my friends, hello everyone, welcome back and good morning. We're out bright and early again. It's quite nice. Today's a big day. It's another one of those big steps that I can't wait is done. So today we start caulking every single seam on this thing. All of that siding needs to get sealed in and then we're gonna start painting. So here we go. So the LS is pretty cool. It's got this self-quick attach, detach bucket. I think a lot of them have that these days, but it's cool. So we are thoroughly aggravated sloshing through the mud trying to do these things because we're moving ladders regularly for every step and it's just turned into a mucky mess over there. So we're pulling up our little makeshift walkway and we're gonna take a couple bucketfuls of mulch and spread it out so we have something dry to walk on and work on. It'll make this a whole lot easier. So we were planning to finish these railroad ties here and fill all of that with mulch anyway for these plants here. So here we go. Cool, so about 10 hours straight of caulking. It took about a full case, took 11 tubes, and we're done with the caulking. So here's what we've got. Every seam, every edge, and every nail has been caulked. That's just how we do it. Make sure it's all smooth and even, paints over nicely, seals it in. But that's about all I'm doing for that footage, because let's face it, that's about as much fun as watching paint dry, which ironically is the next step. Okay, my friends, that does it for day 20. So recap for today, we got all the caulking done, we got the last 4 pieces of fascia up, and I have begun the painting process. So for today, I've got my 2 coats up on all of the trim around the roof area, and that goes around the sides and the front. Now the reason I had to do those first is because tomorrow we are going to be finishing off the metal roof, and that includes the metal gables that are going to wrap around that upper corner, and I won't have to paint in onto that metal now, it's already done. So with that, I bid you good evening. Thanks for hanging out with me while I do this project. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, please subscribe and it'll show up on your recommended feed whenever I upload a video. Until next time.